Don't you think
You're not supposed to take it apart and take the batteries out. You're just supposed to play with it. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You gonna get it again? Are you gonna play with it again? Huh? Is that fun? Come on. It's moving. Ooh.
This is not convertible weather, Mike. What are we supposed to do? For your first life skills project, you will be assigned a career. In addition to a 10-page written paper, you'll create a resume and have visual aids for your presentation. You will have 2 weeks to research and present your findings to the class. We're going to be doing this assignment in pairs, so why doesn't everyone go ahead, find a partner?
Pretty funny. You're pretty funny. Just bouncing on it. Oh, he says, hi, sissy. What you doing, sissy?
So, is there anyone who
says,
still
hey.
doesn't have a partner? Perfect. You two are now a team.
Going back to get the stuffy. Oh, he's gone.